Hello and welcome back to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'll show you how to duplicate your Wix site. Duplicating a site can be more useful than many beginners realize. It gives you a backup copy before making any big design changes. That way, if it all goes horribly wrong, you can just simply start again with your backup copy. You can also use it as a template if you want to start a new project. That way you don't have to build everything from scratch. Or you could simply save an archived copy for future reference. Okay, let's dive in as I show you how to do it. From the Wix dashboard, once you're signed in, we're going to come to the site actions that we've used before. The three dots. Simply click and you get a drop down menu. And one of the instructions here is duplicate site. Just click on that and then it gives you an option box here. You can either just use the pre-filled name where it adds copy to your existing site title, or you can put a new name in here altogether, whichever you prefer. Once you've decided, simply come down here and click duplicate. In the background, Wix will do the work it needs to do, and in no time at all you will have a second copy of your site. Just to double check that that's worked okay, if we go to the top left here, this is the site you're working on. If we click in that box, it'll take us to go to all sites. Click there, and as we follow through here, it should show us we now have success site copy. So that's the other site we have now. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. Today you've learnt how to duplicate your Wix site and why that could be useful for you. This is the Online Force and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.